TeamFullest, this is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click off my canal. So I'm sitting right in front of the window because of it is very hot, and I have my mini fan on because I don't want to sweat. I don't want my face to melt. Okay, so if you guys hear a little breeze, that's my mini fan. Just excuse me because I don't want my makeup to melt off. It's really around my nose area because that is where I sweat a lot. So I'm here to do a review slash demo for you guys. I picked up some few makeup brushes from the Lidl. Sometimes we kind of underestimate products from the Lidl because it doesn't have the IN name on it. But that is not a reason not to try some of the product that you can find at the Lidl. I saw these makeup brushes at the Lidl and they were quite affordable. I think it was €3 if I'm not mistaken. Quite affordable. Lidl do have some really good products. So this is a set of 3. You have a foundation brush, powder brush, a small contour brush, and this is a set of 5 for eyeshadow. So this is a really beginner friendly makeup. I do have a lot of makeup brushes, not that I needed some makeup brushes. I do have makeup brushes a lot, but I just saw this and I thought, you know what, let me give it a try. It's very affordable. There's nothing wrong with giving a try. I do have some Real Technique brushes, some NYX brushes, some Morphe brushes, and they're all really good. So far I've really loved it. I've used it for years and it's still good. Some of them start shedding and I throw it away, but so far so good. I'm really loved it. So I picked this one and I thought this would be a beginner friendly makeup, because a friend of mine was also asking me like, what makeup brush should I pick up, because I also want to start doing my makeup, but I don't want to spend a lot when it comes to makeup because I'm still learning. I haven't found my perfect makeup look, the one that I like, you know, the one that I feel comfortable in. So I'm like, you know what, pick up some brushes from the Lidl, because I saw this one and I took a picture and I sent it to her. I'm like, pick this one from the Lidl, give it a try. It's a beginner friendly and it's very easy. So that is what I'm about to come and do a demo on for you guys. So this fan should just stay one place. Please don't move too much. So this is the brushes. So I've already done my eyebrow, as you guys can see, because eyebrow takes forever to do. So now let's get to the brushes. So this is everything in here. So this is the brush that I picked up. Now let's get started with my makeup tint. I've already primed my face. I use my Milk Hydrating Primer, and now I'm going to use my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in Sun Goddess. So I'm going to use this one as a foundation brush. I'm just going to take, because I always like to have that sun-kissed glow when it comes to my makeup. I love that sun-kissed glow. I'm just dabbing it all over my face like this. I hope the quality of the light is good because I'm filming with natural lighting. Okay, blends the product quite good into the skin. Okay, and it's kind of really soft. You know, sometimes some brush like feel a little bit hard on the skin. Whatever is on the brush, I'm just gonna apply this on my forehead because I don't want that like very shiny forehead. So I just go in whatever is on the brush and I just apply that on my forehead like that. You guys can see this white strip is my sun cream because I was really sweating when I applied my skincare. I was really sweating. So now what I'm going to do is, skin is looking really good. I'm going to use concealer because I don't know, I feel like if I use foundation my face is going to melt. So I'm going to use concealer. I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Infallible concealer foundation, because the way the weather is kind of hot, concealer is much more better. I'm kind of mixing it because this one is warm on the tone and the other one is kind of like cool, so I'm just like mixing it together. And I'm going with this brush. I'm just gonna blend everything into the skin smoothly like this. And concealer also give that really nice coverage, which I really like. Don't forget to bring it down to your neck as well, your ears, everywhere. Okay, so now what I'm going to take this shade. It's the same concealer but then a different shade. I think this is C13.5. Don't like to highlight my forehead. You guys know all that. I really do not enjoy highlighting my forehead. That the brush gave. But the sponge is just, the sponge just sucks any excess product, and just I love it like this. And I feel like with the brush you also have to have patience to blend, and honestly I do not have that patience to blend right now. Contour, which is actually a foundation. I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna like contour my face. It blends really nice. Everything just blends into the skin so smoothly. And for the hairline, you just bring the contour into the hairline. Bring it upwards, don't bring it down. Okay, I like to go in with my, I'm not going in with any highlighter to like, but I'm going in with my foundation. I'm already start sweating. My nose already starts sweating. Okay, now I'm going in with some blush. I love this blush. It's really nice. So what I like to do, I like to just go in with my finger. I'll go in with the sponge and just blend everything smoothly. I like to go in a little bit because I feel like the sponge is like sucking all the product. So in love with this blush, like it's so beautiful. So what I like to do, I'm going in with this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. It's a bit lighter, just a little bit. setting powder. I'm going to take this powder brush. I'm using my Makeup Revolution matte base. Oh, this is so fluffy. Use it to wipe off any excess product. So now let's bronze. I'm using the Morphe bronzer and I'm going to use this one. It's a contour brush, but you can also one thing I love about this bronzer, it's the warmness that it actually brings into the skin. Like that warmness, it just brings that warmness into the skin, and I just love it. Take whatever is on the brush, let's just do the jawline. Now as for the eyes, I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna use this bronzer as an eyeshadow. I'm just gonna first do a pressing motion. Press this all over the eyes. Press, press, press. I'm going for like a really smooth everyday eyeshadow. I love using this bronzer as an eyeshadow because it just gives you that natural makeup look vibes, which I really adore. Very, very simple. I'm going to set using this Elf Cosmetics setting spray. We're gonna do a quick voiceover on this part of the video because it was quite noisy out there. It was really, really noisy. I'm using my setting powder, the one I used to set my face. So that's what I'm using to contour my nose because I feel like it looks much more natural. It is much more on the natural side. Instead of using the Morphe bronzer or any other bronzer to contour my nose, I just don't like it. But with this setting powder, I feel like it gives me more natural look. I really like it. This makeup brushes from the Lidl, it's really beginner friendly makeup brushes. You know, if you're just starting your makeup, you just don't want to just buy everything you see there in the market or everything that is being advertised to you. You just want to buy it. These brushes are really good. I love how it blends the product into my skin, and it's very soft. It's really nice. So if you're somebody who you're starting your makeup and you don't have the money to invest into these high-end brands, because sometimes we think all these high-end brands brushes are much more better, which of course sometimes it's not always like that. You know, it's not always like that. And when you are starting makeup for the first time, you don't want to just buy everything you see there at the market, because at that time you're still learning. So you want to get things which are more affordable, and as you grow in your journey, then you start buying expensive stuff if it's necessary for you, because that was a mistake that I also did when I started makeup. I have bunch of products. I have so many eyeshadows lying down, so many stuff that these days I don't use. All I use these days now and do is wear my bronzer on my eyes. Like I either go between the Morphe bronzer or the Fenty Beauty bronzer. That's what I use on my eyes as an eyeshadow because I love this natural makeup look. I'm focused more on my skin and on my lip because I want my skin to glow. So I don't really do a lot with the eyes, and that's a mistake that I also made. I have a bunch of eyeshadows lying down that I barely use. I use it these days only when I'm doing people's makeup. And for somebody who has been through that, you know, and I know it's like really waste of money right now, me seeing it back. So reasons why when a friend of mine came to me like, oh, I want to go into makeup, but I don't want to buy stuff. Is there more affordable stuff? And when I saw this, I thought of her immediately. And I thought I might come here and share with you guys. Maybe you guys are also interested. If you have Lidl in your area, check it out. And they're really, really, really nice. I loved it. The brushes are very, very easy to use. They're very, very simple. I love every single one of it, and I make sure I use every single one of it on this video. The entire makeup look, all the brushes I use are from the Lidl except the sponge. The sponge is not from the Lidl. That was the only thing I used that was not from the Lidl. But the brushes, everything, the brushes are from the Lidl, and I love how everything just blend into my skin. I love how the product look. I love the finished results. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you all like this video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I truly appreciate it. If you are starting with makeup and you do not want to invest in a lot of makeup brushes, trust me, this is a very good start. I love this. I love these makeup brushes. This is a very good start, and I really loved it. It's very simple. The steps are very easy, and it doesn't really cost a lot, and it blends. It's bring the product into the skin very smoothly. It doesn't leave any strips, any line or anything. Everything just blends so flawlessly. I really love it. It's a very beginner friendly makeup, and this is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think. If you have picked any of these brushes from the Lidl and you have tried it, I would really love to know what you think about it in the comment box. So far so good. I really loved it, and I love the way my makeup look as well. TeamFullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I'll see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye.